In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Gemini's voice from male to female on mobile. First, make sure you have the Google Gemini app installed on your Android or iOS device and open it up. This process works best on the mobile app because the web version may not support voice switching yet. Once the app is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or your initial inside a circle. Tap that to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This is where Gemini keeps most of its personalization options. Inside Settings, look for an option labeled Gemini's Voice or something similar related to voice settings. Depending on your app version, the wording might vary slightly, but it will clearly reference voice or speaking preferences. When you enter the voice settings, you'll see a selection of available voices. Simply swipe through the choices and look for a female voice that suits your preference. Many users find it helpful to take a moment here and listen to a few options if previews are available, since voices can differ in accent, tone, and pacing. Pick the one that feels most natural or comfortable to you. Once you select the female voice you like, confirm your choice on that screen. The change takes effect immediately, so the next time Gemini responds out loud, you should hear your newly selected voice. A few quick notes to keep in mind. Voice switching is rolling out primarily in the mobile app, so if you're trying this on a computer, you may not see the option yet. Also, voice options can include more than just gender differences. You might notice variations in regional accents, warmth, or energy, which can make the experience feel more personal. If you don't see Gemini's voice in your settings, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. New features often appear after an update, and sometimes they arrive gradually by region, so it may take a little time before it shows up for everyone. By choosing a female voice you enjoy, you're tailoring Gemini's conversational experience to your preferences, which can make everyday interactions feel friendlier and more engaging. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Gemini tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.